Year 3. I hope you enjoyed listening to Hickory Dickory Dock, a Mother Goose nursery rhyme I'm sure you've all heard before. Since prehistoric days, humans have measured time using the sun, seasons, stars and calendars, but in the 1300s the first mechanical clocks were built. Today we've seen some of the different types of analog and digital clocks and watches that are available. You've already learned a little about reading clocks to tell the time, but in this lesson you're going to learn how to tell time to the minute. We're going to use big time learning clocks. I have one large one that I will use, and I'm going to hand out some individual clocks for each one of you. First though, we're going to start with some revision. Firstly, I'd like you to all think back to what you've already learned about reading the time. On a clock face, the hour hand is the small hand, the minute hand is larger. As time passes, the minute hand moves around the clock face, starting at 1 minute and through to 60. I'd like it if you could all please now take out your clocks and follow with me. If you could please move the hour hand to 3 and the minute hand to the 12, which represents the 60th minute. This is what we call 3 o'clock. Next, please move the minute hand along to the 3rd hour, or the position that marks the 15th minute. This is 1/4 past 3. This is 30 minutes, or half past 3. This is 45 minutes past 3, or 3:45. It is now a whole hour, or 60 minutes past 3, 4 o'clock. Hi Gabriel.
Hi Mrs. Weeks.
Thank you for helping me with my video today.
It's okay.
Now we've been learning about the time. We've been doing a little bit of revision to remember the things that we learnt last week. To start off with, could you tell me what the time is at the moment?
Yes, it's 5 o'clock.
Excellent. And could you show me which one and tell me which one is the hour hand?
The red hand is the hour hand, the blue hand is the minute hand.
Great. Could you move the minute hand so that it shows 5 minutes past 5?
Yes.
Great. No, that's okay. I can see it. Thank you. Okay. And could you show me what would be 20 minutes past 5? Great. Thanks, Gabe. Could you show me this time? This one might be a little bit trickier because it won't show you the number. You'll have to count a couple past, just like when you're doing a number line. Turn the clock back around. It might be easier for you to see it the other way. And can you show me which one is 37 minutes past 5? Excellent. Now, can you tell me how you worked that out?
By counting the little dots across there.
So you counted from 30 up to 37. Great. What about 50 past 5?
That might move a bit and it's okay.
It will, because you're getting closer to 6 o'clock, aren't you? Yeah, so that's okay. You can let it move. Fantastic. And then one last tricky question for you. If I was to say to you, could you show me 5 minutes to 6? So 5 minutes before the clock is going to be at 6 o'clock. So what does that say now?
5:55.
That's right, it does. It says 5:55, and that's 5 minutes before 6 o'clock. So could you move the minute hand now, turn it all the way around so it's moved back to the beginning spot for 6 o'clock. Fantastic. So that means the minute hand has moved 60 minutes around the clock face, and that's 1 whole hour.
Thank you, Gabriel.